happy Saturday. We're heading out for a morning surf. Feeling so much better. This week was like low-key mental health, like kind of on low. I hate to be like downer, but yeah, not doing so great. But I think after today's surf session, I'll be doing a lot better. Okay, already feeling a bit better. Waves are looking fun today. Water's not too cold. It's gonna be a great day. Boy. Let's get out there. Okay, the water's actually kind of cold now. Almost out here. Some fun little ones. It's so glassy. Summer's coming. Whee! Yay. That's what I get. Not cool. Oh my God. I almost didn't get that wave, but we persevered and conquered. Oh my God. I'm trying so hard. Go, go. Aww. That was so bumpy. Oh my God, that was crazy. Let's take a selfie.
You scared me.
Wait, Lauren, get in it. before the set comes.
I look with my hair like this.
Wait, sit on. I'm coming. You want to face the light.
Oh, there's our friend.
I know. I saw. Yay!
Get over here. Get a view.
You got it?
And now I'm proud of you. Ready?
Hey! Dude, this girl hates me. Dude, I was like, wow, I'm thankful she didn't spray me. Oh, really? Oh, gosh. Oh, my gosh. Oh, I didn't want to drop in on you. I can't. Dude, my dog. Oh my god. Better wave. It's so nice. I just inhaled a bunch of water. I'm hanging in there. Waves are super fun. This is not the right top to wear surfing ever. Yeah! There's so many people in front of me. Hi. Rounding out the session, I literally almost just drowned. Huge set was coming. I turtle-rolled, put the GoPro in my mouth. Water went like down my mouth, obviously. Brutal. Gonna try and take it easy. Get this water out of my lungs before I head in. Whew. That was a good one. And I wiped out. I'm so over it. I might have a concussion. So brutal. I'm just grateful. I'm grateful. So grateful.